Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. Only 3 days left for 2025 to end, guys, and when I say I cannot wait, I mean that, because wow, a lot has been happening, especially this December. A lot happened, guys, and a lot is still happening. After some allegations that Felix Hlophe is abusing his wife and children, he now came forward, and this is what he have to say. This statement serves to formally acknowledge statements that have been made about me on social media by an associate of my wife. I am aware of these statements and have referred the matter to my legal representatives for advice. The events in questions occurred on 24th of December 2025, following the public circulations of news relating to my personal life. My wife accepted an invitation from a friend to take some time away with our children. Accompanied by my mother-in-law, I went to fetch my wife and children. During this interaction, emotions ran high on all sides and an unfortunate confrontation took place, but there was no physical violence. The video clips currently circulating online do not reflect the full context of the situation and present only a particular versions of events. Security and the South African Police Service were called as a precaution. Both private security personnel and SAPS officers present expressed concern about the nature of the insults directed at my mother-in-law during the exchange. No arrests were made. Despite this distressing moment, my wife and children returned home safely. We spent a Christmas together peacefully and joyfully as a family, including my mother-in-law. I would like to thank everyone who has reached out with messages of concern and support. I can confirm that there is order and my family is on good terms. Trace and I have consciously chosen peace over conflict, respect over resentment, and unity over division. We remain committed to handling our personal matters privately, with dignity and care for our family. Thank you for your understanding. Wishing you and your family a great festive season. Felix Hlophe.